Hello to all of my dear friends. I wish you the best from wherever you are watching this video from. And welcome back to one more video from Hyperpix.net. And I'm Mary, and I'm so glad to be back with one more product from our Chrome Text Effect collections. So today we have a totally new product, which is totally new and designed with a new formula. It's one of the latest products which is designed with a combination of a chrome and metal with a scary and spooky theme, which is detailed and with its brilliant options, which works on every single logo or language or font or text just with a single click, like all of our other products. For instance, this is an example of how it works on Japanese. Just check out how magnificent it works. And also we have it on a logo right here. Just check out how brilliant and lovely it looks. So in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can do so and work with. Just notice about this phone that this product is a little better for text with a medium thickness, so it doesn't work out so great on a bold or very thick text. It works, but I mean it might not give you the best result, so try to use fonts or text which the thickness is medium or thin. So let's get on with editing. Let's get started. Let's get on. If you like to download this text effect just right now, refer to Hyperpix.net and access this product by joining our VIP account. So just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window which appears right here, all you need to do is to just double click on the text layer and type your ideal text as I'm doing right now. So here's my text I've typed. Bring it right in the center. So from the characters palette, I'm going to just select the characters which I want a little distance between them. We'll select them. For instance, these two characters are connected right here. I just want a little gap between them. So I'm just going to make a little gap just like this. Just check out which they're not connected anymore. Same right here. So I think it's perfect. Just a little less than a little, yeah, I think it's great. Everything's excellent. So also one more over here. I can just customize a little or just leave it as it is. So I just make sure if it's in the center, everything's excellent. We close and click save. Don't need to do any extra work. We'll just wait a moment till our style is applied. So we're back to our work. Just check out the result, how professional and magnificent looks, just like the example I showed you. And the result, all you need to do is to just get on with a little customizing. I'm going to show you the rest of the layers. So this product is one of those text effects which our designers have worked so much on it. If I open the effects folder, you're going to see some absolutely professional settings and options, which this simple text which you see is created from tons of options and settings, and it might make your system slow down a little as it's a very complicated and heavy text effect, so it depends on your system, but we suggest you to just come to the effects folder and we open this folder right here. And you can just switch off the eye. It's just temporary. We'll come back at the end and we'll switch it back on. Don't worry about that, because it makes your system a little faster and it makes your editing a little light. So we're going to type our bottom text right here, just like this. As you see, it's applied live. So we have a little text at the bottom right here, which you can also edit it, change around the font, or you can just remove the whole thing. You're totally free to make any changes you like. So the next layer we have right here is adjustments, which is the brightness and contrast settings, which doesn't have a very important usage. So we have the effect folder right here as well, which contains the main layers. We're going to switch it back on, as you see. So guys, we have some drips of blood right here, which we have placed it in groups for you, which you can drag them easily and place in all different parts of your text. For instance, I'm going to drag this drip of blood to the other side. You just need to drag and let go, drag and drop. So as you see, our drip of blood is moved here. So this is one of the interesting abilities which you can have on your editing of your text and use it. So also you can just switch off the whole layer, which you're totally free as well, and making changes, so it's based on your taste. So you can also have it without that blood. So as I promised, now I'm going to show you how you can use this style on a logo. So we just need to come back to this window right here and insert your logo. So we just drag our logo, insert it right here. I decided to use a Dodge logo. It's a logo which the thickness is a medium and it's great for this style. So just try to not use very thick and bold logos. So we're just going to close with a single click and click save and wait a moment till our logo is turned into this beautiful stuff. And as we see how amazingly our logo is switched into this style. So I'm just going to switch these two layers, and so now we see our amazing result. So all I need to do is just switch on two of the blood layers that have a little more details. So you can move around the blood folder, drag it and place it wherever you want. So you're totally free. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks for watching. If you like this product, to download the link says you just need to refer to hyperpix.net, join our VIP account, and they're going to have a total access to this product and all of our other products. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming video.